Hi all, I am Plant Girl and welcome to my channel. So this is really very short video. I just wanted to share few important points with you all. Main concern that we all are facing as plant lovers is why do our plants die when we buy it online? And one more thing, not just from online sources, it also happens when we buy it from nurseries. The plant is doing really good in the nursery and suddenly when we buy it at our home within a week it dies. So why these common concerns occur? So I'm going to answer those things here, and I'm going to also tell you guys what things which we need to follow in order that our plants won't die after buying it. So the first thing, whenever you buy it from any online store, so let us cover online part first. So first of all, make sure from which store and what kind of plant you are buying. So for example, let me give you a very simple example comparing two of online stores. So one is affordable organic store, second one is Ugao. So these two are very well known and commonly known online stores which, for plants and plant supplies. And what the major difference between these two stores is, you all would have seen if you are buying plants online, Ugao sells at very higher rates and affordable organic stores sells the same plants at very lower rates. So there might be case where alocasia is priced at 300 or 500 rupees at Ugao, but the same alocasia is priced at maybe less than 100 rupees at affordable organic store. So anyone would prefer buying from affordable organic store. But the thing is, Ugao shares matured plants. So those plants are quite older, more like at least a year old. But what affordable organic store does is they share the plants which are just the cuttings which just are rooted. They share those directly with us. And what happens with them is, those cuttings, those plants, they die during the shipping process. That is very common thing because those plants are not mature enough to survive in such harsh conditions. So eventually they die. But in the same scenario, the Ugao plants don't die because those people make sure the packaging is really good and also everything they take care of that. And such mature plants are fine to stay during shipping for 3 to 4 days. They are fine to stay healthy. So that's the major difference. And now coming to the second and most important point. So why do plants die even after we buy them from nursery or any other stores? So there are several reasons for this as well. So whenever we buy from nursery or any plant store, foremost thing what we need to check is if there are any kind of mealybugs hidden in those plants. So plants are critical structures, so there can be mealybugs or any kind of bugs under the leaf, anywhere or anywhere. So just make sure those creatures are not present. Also any harmful kind of insect is not present. And another important thing that we need to do is not to repot plant immediately after buying. So one thing is the nursery environment. The plants are acquainted with that environment for so long. They have habit of particular environment and they thrive over there. So there is kind of environment shock for them when those plants arrive at your home. Everything is changed for them. The temperature, the climate, humidity levels, everything is changed. So it requires some time for them to stabilize themselves in this new environment. But if you repot them directly without doing anything, without even waiting for a few days, then what would happen? The roots will get exposed to outside world, right? So already the plant is exposed to some other new environment, and if you are also exposing the roots to other environment, the plant will get shocked, and that shock might cause your plant to die. So that is another major thing. So what you can do, just let for a week, at least a week, keep the plant in the nursery bag itself, the grow bag in which you have bought it, and just water it normally. Don't put any kind of fertilizer immediately or anything. just water it for its normal survival, nothing else. Even don't over water it at all. Let the soil dry completely before watering again. And after a week, once the plant stays calm, normal, fine, after that you can repot it into your own favorite plant. So that's the thing. Those are some very small points regarding to saving your new plants from dying. And another thing, if again going back to online part from the affordable organic store, so if you're buying from, like, in case if you are already bought from them, if you already received that cutting with you, and if that is not doing good, I would suggest you to just remove all the rotted part and keep that in water for propagation. That will, I think, that should at least work for it. We can just hope for that. We cannot assure if that will work or not, because the plants are very critical in that case. So yeah, we can make every effort to save our plants. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I just hope this will help you guys, and following this will definitely save your plants from dying immediately after buying from nurseries or plant stores. Thanks a lot for watching. So I make videos related to plants and nature. So if you are interested in such stuff, do subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Comment down your thoughts on this in the comment section, and also share your experiences with plants from online as well as offline resources and all the stuff. And thanks a lot for watching. Follow and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.